Morning students. Today we will study about output questions. We will deal with just output questions. So first thing, whatever you are writing with print command will come as it is. Now question 1. If I say print 5.5, what will come? Suppose I say print 9 plus 10, what will come? Suppose I say print 12 divided by 3, what will come? Suppose I say print 15 divided by 4, what will come? Suppose I say double slash, what will come? Suppose I say modulus operator, what will come? So these are some examples. Suppose I say print 2 star star 3, what will come? 2 raised to the power 3, that is 2 raised to the power 3. 2 into 2, 4, 4 into 2, 8. Suppose I say print you haven't closed bracket, so we should close the bracket. Suppose I say print 2 plus 2, 2. What will come? Suppose I say 2 plus 2. What will come? So here it is acting as a string. Here it is acting as a number. Now suppose I say what will come? So these are some output questions. Now we will discuss some more output questions. Suppose I say x is equal to 3 and then I say y is equal to x plus 2. Then I say x is equal to x plus y. Then I say print x is equal to comma x y is equal to comma y. What will come? X is 8, y is 5. How? X is 3, y is x plus 3. That means 3 plus 2, 5. So y is 5. Now I think x is equal to x plus y. My x is 3 and my y is 5. 3 plus 5 is 8. So whatever you are writing within inverted comma will come as it is. Without inverted comma means value of x, then inverted commas, y is equal to, then value of y. And comma is a separate. So this is the output. Now next question. If I say x is equal to minus 2. Now I say y is equal to 2. Now suppose I say x is equal to x plus y. Now I say print x is equal to comma x comma y is equal to comma y. X is 0, y is 2, y. X is minus 2, y is 2. So y is 2, y is 2. Now x is equal to x plus 1. X is minus 2. Minus 2 plus 2 is 0. Minus 2 plus 2 is 0. So this is your now next question. A is equal to 5. B is equal to 2 into A. Now A is equal to A plus, bracket start, A plus B. A plus B. Now B is equal to B into A plus B. Now print A is equal to A, B is equal to B. Let me close. How? A is 5, B is 2 into A. That means 10. Now B is 10. Now we are saying A is 5 plus A plus B. A is 5, 5 plus 10, 15. 15 plus 5, 20. Now here, B is your 10, A is your 5, B is 10. So, let me explain you. Now, it is saying B is equal to 2 into 5. That means B will be 10. My B will be 10. Now, here A is equal to A is 5 plus A plus B. 5 plus 10, 15. So A is 20. So A is 20. Now B. B is equal to, we are saying B. B is 10 into A is 20. 20 plus 10, 30. That means B is 300. So this way you can do your calculations also. Now my next question. Suppose I say P is equal to 10, Q is equal to 20, P is equal to P into Q by 3. And I say now Q is equal to Q plus P plus Q into 2. Now I say print P is equal to P, comma, Q is equal to, comma, Q. So this way you can calculate your answers. That means Q oblique 3, that means 20 oblique 3. 3 6 are 18. There will be 6 decimal something. So 10 into 6 will be 66 decimal 6. Then Q. P is your now 66 decimal 6 suppose, plus Q. Q is 20. 20 into 2 is 40. 40 into 66.6. So this will be your answer. So this way you can do calculation. Now we will discuss one more output question. P is equal to 5 modulus 2. Q is equal to P raised to the power 4. R is equal to P double slash, that means only you will get integer part as a quotient. P is equal to P plus, bracket start, P plus Q plus R. R is equal to R plus, let's start, P plus Q plus R. That is. Now Q is equal to Q minus, let's start, P plus Q into R. Then print P is equal to P, Q is equal to Q, comma, R is equal to, comma, R. So this, try yourself, you will get the same answer. Now, so one more question. Now suppose I say x is equal to 10, x is equal to x plus 10, that means now x is 20. Now x is equal to x minus 5, 20 minus 5, 15. Now print x. X is equal to x. Now I say x minus, comma, y is equal to x minus 2, comma, 22. That means x minus 2 will value be assigned to x. That means 15 minus 2 will be 30. Y is 22. This is multiple assignment. Now print x is equal to x, comma, y is equal to y. This way you can do. Now one more question. First is equal to 10. Second is equal to 30. Third is equal to first plus second. Print first, comma, second, comma, third. And this I have just written directly, so direct values will come. It will not show like this, first is equal to this, second is equal to this, third is equal to second plus first. Print first, comma, second, comma, third. So this is the way you can see. First 10, 30, then third is 30, first plus second, 10 plus 30, 40 you can see. Now third is second plus first, that means 30 plus 10 is equal to 40. And then again 10, 30, 40 you can see. It hardly matters you are writing first or second. So this way you can do your output questions also. So for today you try this. In next class we will see more questions. Thank you.